What causes HVAC fuse failures? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning fuses usually fail because of an electrical short, an overloaded circuit, a damaged wire, or a failing component. A fuse is a small safety device that melts when too much electricity flows through it. In a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, this protects the control board, wiring, blower motor, outdoor unit, and other parts from overheating. A short circuit can happen when two wires touch, when insulation wears away, or when water reaches an electrical connection. A motor that is stuck, dirty, or wearing out may also draw too much power and cause the fuse to open. A loose connection can create heat, which may damage the fuse holder and lead to repeated failures. One lesser-known cause is a weak low-voltage transformer, which can blow the small control fuse even when the larger equipment seems to work normally. To troubleshoot safely, turn off power, look for burned wires or wet areas, and check whether the fuse size matches the label on the equipment. Replace a blown fuse only once with the exact same type and rating, because a new fuse can reveal a problem but cannot repair it. A common mistake is replacing the fuse with a larger one, but that can allow wires to overheat, so always use the specified rating. Another mistake is assuming the fuse itself is the main problem. If it blows again quickly, stop resetting it and have a qualified technician test the wiring, transformer, motors, and control board. People also sometimes inspect only the indoor unit, while the outdoor condenser, thermostat wiring, and low-voltage cable can cause the failure, so check the entire system and shut off power before touching anything. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message them back, and offer their estimates.